It's such a cool snow outside. You can't see anything.
Okay, all right. So this is not at all what I want to talk about.
No, we don't talk about snow.
We want to talk only about the category. We built our product concierge, then we strengthened our original product that we call Instant Booker for revenue reps. And what we realized is that this whole life cycle around meetings is a category on its own. And we call it Meeting Lifecycle Automation. So the meeting is at the center of the sales process. The life cycle is everything that has to happen before and after. You want to make sure that the CRM has been updated, that the process has been updated, that the recap has been sent. So all the other things that are going to optimize the value of the meeting are part of the life cycle. That's what we call meeting life cycle. Look at the market in two categories, more than a few players focused on scheduling, so like Calendly and a whole bunch of solutions. And then another set of players who have included scheduling in their offering, like HubSpot, Salesloft, Archery, Drift. But then we found that, as I mentioned earlier, the life cycle of the meeting is very tricky. And by focusing on this complex part, we've been able to deliver a lot more value to a customer than they would get from these other solutions. It's a must-have for everybody, and the meeting lifecycle automation will be not even a question. It will be everywhere.
As soon as people get into using Chili Piper, they get hooked. I mean, look at our homepage. You'll see all these amazing companies using us. They can't imagine how they even lived without us before that, because all of a sudden their pipeline doubles from inbound or even triples in some cases.
It came to us that it was a big category early on, but at that time, the investing community still hadn't realized that. And finally, in 2020, it has caught up, right? So we did our 18 million round, Calendly raised 350 million on the 3 billion valuation. Now it's become obvious to everybody this is a huge category, and it's only going to keep growing.
The good news is that we managed to make it work, and the even better news is that we've had 0 customers so far that have not managed to greatly improve their process and not get ROI with us in the first week or 2 weeks after the implementation, which is unheard of.